Hello guys, so today we're going to see what is a private keyboard and the internal keyboard. So we'll discuss one by one. So first we start with the private keyboard. So what is the real use of the private keyboard? See here in my solution, this is my console application. So the main program class is here, and I created one class called test. So that test, okay, I just name as a class test. Okay, the method test method I will just mention that, so no need a constructor for this. Okay, so now I have a class called test. So I want to call the test class. I need to create the object of the test class. So for that I created, okay, it's a instance of that class equal to new test. Okay, so now I want to call that test method. So how to achieve that? I directly go on to dot, so I will find the test method. Okay, so now this will be happen if okay, non-static. Okay, fine, I just create one because this is a static method. So public void. Okay, so this is the way to normally call the method. So now if I change this method access modified to private, then we'll see what it will be result is that. So I got an error exception that is inaccessible due to the production level. So if you make that as a private, you can't able to access that method to any other class by creating an object. So this is the way that private keyword is help it. If you mention as a private, you can't access to anywhere. So what is the internal method? I will show you what is the internal. So internal method, generally if you declare as a internal, you can use only that particular assembly. You can't go and call it to the other assemblies. Like if I created on a class library, I will going to create that one and I will show you that. New project. Okay, a simple class library I will create. Test library something I will just named as. Okay, okay, in the test library I created called external class. Okay, fine. So this library I going to refer in my console application. I just go and add the reference of that class library. You have to go add reference. So in a solution you select this, tick that, so and take. So now you got reference here. Then you can go and create the instance of that method. How to create? It's very simple process, the same like you have to call, and you need to add the class library of that. So it will give you the alert, yes, using the test library, because that is what my namespace. Okay, external. Okay, new external class. Okay, fine. So now I can able to create the instance of the class. But if I declare as a internal, this is a public class. If I declare or I just remove the public default, this will be a internal program. So now it will throw me the error that yes, it is inaccessible due to the production level. So it means what? So default, or you can mention that it's a internal, anyways whatever, because default, if you mention as a class it is a internal, you can use only that particular assembly. So if you refer to another assembly, you can't access. That is what the internal keywords helps. So if you declare as a internal on reference of the other programs, so it won't works. Actually it will tell that it's a product level. So that is what the main difference. So if you declare as a private, you can't access the same class to the another class in the same assembly. But if you declare as a internal means only you can access only that assembly. If you try to access from the other assembly, you can't access it. So that is what the main difference. I hope you understand. If you have any still doubts, queries, please comment with us.